Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of elementary particles. Get ready to journey into the heart of matter itself, where the tiniest building blocks of the universe reveal their remarkable stories. Imagine peering through an incredibly powerful microscope, one that can reveal the hidden realm of particles smaller than atoms. These are the elementary particles, particles that are the true foundations of everything around us. In this subatomic realm, we encounter quarks and leptons, the very essence of matter. These particles come together in intricate ways to form protons, neutrons, and electrons, the building blocks of atoms. But the story doesn't end there. The elementary particles also include forces carriers like photons and with Z bosons, responsible for transmitting the fundamental forces that govern our universe. Exploring this realm has led us to astonishing discoveries, such as the Higgs boson, a particle that gives mass to other particles. This elusive particle was finally detected, confirming a crucial piece of our understanding of the cosmos. The study of elementary particles takes us to the frontier of physics, where theories like the Standard Model attempt to explain the complex interactions of these tiny constituents. As we delve into the mysteries of elementary particles, we are reminded that even in the tiniest corners of the universe, there's a rich tapestry of complexity waiting to be unraveled. Like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding science episodes. Until next time, remember that the world of elementary particles isn't just small, it's a universe within a universe, waiting to be explored, 1 minute at a time.